One other fun little tool though, this one's been fun, Canva. There's the new code tool right here, code for me. I like to use it for code mockups of user interactivity. For example, make me a calculator that will let me use sliders, the cost of a wedding with normal elements like catering and location, etc. Let's make it purple and green colors because that's fun. Then it will write like a little calculator. I like to just take the code and publish it on Canva and then extract the source and drop it into whatever tool I'm using as example for I want this interface, but I need it connected to my database. It doesn't always nail a UI, but about 70% of the time, since this is design focused, it does a really nice UI and then lets us have a really good output. Let me see if I can pull up an example of one that I did recently. There it is. This calculator lets people choose how many folks they're going to take on a tour for this Everglades Holiday Park Airboat tours, and basically plan a group trip. This is for like schools and field trips and things like that. They can have like a chaperone come along. Once they have all of those selected, then they can either just take this estimate and go to their planning committee and say, hey, it's going to be roughly this, or they can submit this information and get a quote. That goes a webhook to high level, then sends that to the team to actually reach out and do a quote, maybe do upsells, sell them catering, things like that. Drafted it here in Canva. This is what it looks like. You like this one here? Ah, yes, Deep Sight. I did a design with this. I don't remember. It was like a month and a half ago. I did a design with this. Then I did the same prompt in Canva. And personally, I like Canva's a little better, but free is a big win for a lot of folks. That's like a super solid angle. It's a good one to share. All right, so we have our little slider here. I don't know. I got married 15 years ago. I have no idea if this stuff is accurate or not. But we can basically do our calculations. I think it missed one thing over here in that this should just say arm and a leg. But otherwise, that's a fun little design. Anyway, you could use it in a design and like a website here. Then you can publish this website and extract the source code or just take screenshots of it if you'd rather and share that with your development tool for getting nice little widgets designed. I like to use it for widgets, basically. But the one Kyle shared, it can do the similar thing. It's awesome for widgets and interface. Like I said, I personally preferred Canva a little better, but it could have been the task I gave it. I didn't test it extensively. So wanted to share that with everybody.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and follow. And if you need help building or finishing your app, click the link in my bio to book a one-on-one Zoom call to take a look at your project.